Welcome guys, this is KOK Party Favors. Today I'm going to be making a housewarming gift. I have my container here. I'm going to be using this Home Sweet Home container. This came from Dollar General. And I'm going to try and get these items in. So I have 2 hand towels here. I have 2 coffee mugs that say I love a latte. Then these 2 dish towels that say coffee is a hug in a mug. This spa pillow, what I did was just use some of my gold dots to cover up the price. This Home Sweet Home Decor. This coconut sugar candle. This all-purpose and dish soap. All-purpose cleaner and dish soap. This black checkered throw, and I wrapped some Just For You ribbon around it. This coffee and these hazelnut wafers. Okay guys, so we're going to see what all we can get in. I have my container base already prepared to save time. So the first thing I want to do, I know that this spa pillow is going to go in the back. So I'm going to go ahead and I think I may want to stand it up. I'm going to have to put one of my acrylic dowels back there just to help it stay straight. Okay, so next I'm going to put in my throw blanket. I'm going to put that in the corner there. And I'm going to go ahead and put a acrylic dowel behind it as well. All right, make sure I got that. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is see where I'm going to put my towels, my kitchen towels, because I want to make sure this is seen. So I think I'm going to just drape it over the spa pillow. To take my little beads here. I'm going to go ahead and try and use these in. Just drape them over the towel and the spa pillow. And put one of my towels here. These are hand towels, guys. And I'm going to put the all-purpose cleaner. Let's try this over here. I'm going to have it several ways, guys, until I can get it exactly like I want it. Okay, so we have our coconut sugar candle there. I'm going to cut off this tag. And we're just going to have it there. Or I may just drape it here in this area where nothing is. Okay, and then I'm going to put one of my towels here. My coffee mugs, I need to get them in for sure. I'm gonna raise those cups up a little bit. So let me get some of this tissue paper. Just give that a little bit of height. I might put the towels down in there. Let's try that. Okay. I'm going to turn this Home Sweet Home back around this way. And my coffee, I'm just going to fold this top down. And I'm going to put the coffee right over here. And I'm going to put some tape on the back to hold that flap down. Okay, so we have our coffee. And then I'm going to put these little hazelnut wafers in. I'm going to put those right here. And I'm going to get some height on those. Okay. And I think I want my candle up a little bit as well. So let me get another couple of pieces of this tissue paper and put a little height in this area over here. Purpose cleaner there. There's soap there. Let's put our candle back here. Okay. So guys, I think this is what we have. Little Home Sweet Home sign. I didn't want to cover up my candles, so I think I'm going to just keep it I'll just let it lay on top of the candle like that so it won't cover up my little hazelnut wafers there. Okay, guys. So I think we have it here. And I'm going to accent it with some red flowers. Just put 2 flowers here. Still looks like my candle is leaning. So I am going to see what's causing that. Get some more height on my candle. Okay, so we're going to put the little red roses there. And we are ready. All right, guys. I think that's a nice housewarming gift there. And give me just a second. I'm going to get it wrapped and I'll come back and show you what it looks like. It's beautiful. I used cellophane and it wrapped gorgeous. I hope you guys enjoyed this. All right, guys, this is the finished product. I think the housewarming basket came out beautiful. I thank you guys for joining me. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.